No tenim més res que obrir. Benvolguts arquinautes, benvinguts a aquest capítol de Loom. Estem aquí atrapats pel clèric Bishop, el nostre antagonista, i ara estem emprisonats. Doncs anem a... Està bloquejada, anem a obrir. I comença el final de l'aventura. Potser acabarem avui l'aventura de Loom. Potser no, potser sí, ja ho veurem. Ui, has vist? Un truc elusiu dels... No sé, això no funciona per... No, perquè... Vine. I veuràs per què. Seria un cementiri normal, però... La frontera entre la vida monta... Imagina què passaria si aquesta dedicada frontera si subtés
Can't just rip the pattern apart like an old rag?
But it is that simple, my boy, and I can.
ho puc fer.
I have only to lift this rod, and the legions of the dead will stream forth onto the plane of the living.
I vam de prendre un gran exèrcit de la mort, no rit per les espases i guiades per l'esfera i pel lideratge del suprem comandant. Jo.
The final hour is now at hand.
Al
The
final,
age of the clerics is upon us.
l'edat dels clèrics
I have preparations
tinc
to
que
attend
fer
to,
preparacions per això.
Don't
Top,
let this boy out of your sight. He is to touch nothing.
no el deixes tocar res.
Perfectly, your excellence.
Perfecte. No, excel·lent.
Lord Mandible, ruler of the universe.
Lord Mandible, creador de l'univers o regular.
I do
M'agrada com sona això. M'encanta com sona això.
I have to change my station.
Tinc que canviar.
You're not so dangerous now, then, are you?
No sembles gaire perillós així, oi?
She looks hungry.
Sembla tenir gana. Sort que està aquí. Anem a mirar això.
Keep away from that. His
Surt
eminence
aquí.
said not to touch anything.
El senyor
Who's gonna touch it?
no hi va a tocar-ho. Només hi anava a mirar.
Just looking, eh? Well then, perhaps we can do a bit of a
Potser
trade.
podríem fer un
How
tracte.
about I let you look in the sphere?
Et deixaré mirar aquesta esfera si... Sí que...
Well, the
La veiem
legends
de dir
say
que
to gaze upon
sí.
an uncloaked weaver
si traiem la
brings
caputxa
death.
dels
Naturally,
teixidors,
we clerics
que no la
are given
traiem
to
fer i no
such
creiem ens
things,
passegen.
but
Va ser
I'm
curiós.
curious. Let's answer this one once and for all, shall we?
No. Oh.
May we have some
Puc
quiet?
tenir una mica de silenci, sisplau?
I can't even begin to invoke the dead with all that
No puc
screaming.
invocar la mort
Well,
amb tant
you
de
can't say he wasn't warned.
son. Per aquí.
I see Cobb has been lax in his duty.
Veig que ha sigut bastant lax.
You're just in time to witness the dawn of a new era.
You don't have the
Estàs
slightest
just
idea of what you're doing.
No crec que sigui bona idea el
It's
que veus.
already worn and frayed. If you rip a hole in it now, the consequences
Si obres
will
un
be
forat aquí,
anything you
les
can
conseqüències
imagine.
van ser...
Spare me your weaver mysticism, boy. The time has come when the dead shall no longer envy the living.
De moment que la mort no tingui ja enveja de la vida. I s'obre...
You've torn the
Ui.
pattern completely open.
And with it,
El
the
teixit de la
eyes
realitat
of
està
the
realment
dead.
obert.
Behold!
I have a very bad feeling about this.
Tinc una males... Qui osa estorbar la tranquil·litat del...
Welcome and
He vingut
greet
per...
your
He vingut... No,
noses.
l'espírit.
I
Bishop and Ultim Apostle of Dante's Correcting Cloud, Gauss Cleric, el Clerge.
And whom have I the
Aquí tengo el honor de...
I don't think I want to be part of this conversation.
Crec que no vull formar part d'aquesta. Ningú t'obeirà. Soc el caos. Resolve i he passat per aquí. Per això seràs recompensat. Uneix-te a mi com el meu esclau. Ha passat molt de temps des de la meva darrera visita. Vaig a recuperar això.
I can't seem to hold on to this thing.
Ui, el drac ha fugit. Bueno, anem a mirar per aquí. Aviam què veiem. Els signals. Estem al final del capítol. Ara girem una mica el live. Sí. No, acabarem i farem l'últim capítol un altre dia. Ui, ja està. Ploma. I el signe un altre cop. Doncs estem al final, però deixarem el final pel proper Verquibu. No, anem a fer el final. No queda gaire, em sembla. Ui, el drac ens tira. Ai. Prou! Ai. Anem a tancar aquest forat. Anem aquí. Ui,
There's nothing left but
només queden el cos.
Rusty.
Rusty,
Is that you?
ets tu?
You don't look at all well.
No sembla que estic... No estic bé. No estic mort.
Don't.
No sé què dir. No sé què dir. No diguis res.
What do I matter? I'm
Què he
just
fet?
another one of the dead.
Ara sóc un altre mort.
I feel terrible. I
And
didn't
that's
know.
not even the end of it. I go outside to wait for doomsday, like a good little ghost seed.
Que
But
puc
no
fer un
sooner do I
fantasma.
get settled again, but some stupid idiot shreds the universe apart and hauls us all back inside. There are a lot of very unhappy dead wandering
Sembla que hi ha
around here.
molt
Let me
mort
tell you.
calejat per aquí.
I know. I was there when it happened.
I might have known this was all your fault.
Segur
No.
que... No.
No, it
No he
wasn't
sigut
me.
jo.
The
És
bishop
Bishop.
managed this
Ha
one
fet
all
aquest
on his
complot
own.
per...
Yeah? Well, there's going to be hell to pay, literally.
Segur que està anant a l'infern per tot
They're
això.
going to
Per
take
pagar
over
tot.
the world, starting with the forge,
La forja. Hem començat per la
my
forja.
home, where we used to build strong things, good things.
L'he utilitzat per fer grans coses. Anem a intentar curar el Rusty. Ui, sembla que ha funcionat. Ui,
You did it. You brought me back.
It is what you wanted, isn't it?
Believe me, being alive was a lot more fun than being dead. But how
és més
did you do
divertit
it?
estar viu que mort.
Well, healing your body was easy.
Recuperar el teu
You're
cos
alive because the pattern is torn and your soul was free to return to this side.
Well, I must go, Bobby. I've got to know what happened to the rest of my guild.
And
Look
I
at
must do
that,
the
Mama.
same. Good luck, Rusty. And be careful.
Bona sort,
Good
Rusty.
fortune
Bona
to
sort.
you too, my friend.